How to delete your Google Playstore app history on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear out your search and app history from the Play Store. First, open the Google Playstore app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile picture at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on General. In the next step, tap on Account and Device Preferences. Following this, scroll down until you see the option that says Clear Local Search History. Go ahead and tap on it. Once done, your Play Store search history will be cleared right away. From here, if you also want to clear your app purchase and install history, tap on your profile picture again and tap on Manage Apps and Device. At this point, tap on Manage, and you'll see a full list of all apps you've ever installed. Tap on the Filter option and select Not Installed to see removed apps. From there, tap on the tick box at the top to select all, and then tap on the Delete icon to remove them from your history. Finally, once done, your Play Store app history will be completely cleaned up. And that's it. If this guide helped you clear your Google Play Store history, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.